Hello, you are welcome to today's lesson, and we are still dealing with Jamb mathematics, and we are solving problems in coordinate geometry. We have two questions to solve under part 3. Question number 1, solution. We are told to find the value of alpha if the line 2y minus alpha x plus 4 equal to 0 is perpendicular to the line y plus 1 over 4x minus 7 equal to 0. And as we have started, when two lines are perpendicular, it means that m1, m2 is equal to minus 1. So we'll first of all start by finding the gradients of each of them. So let's start. 2y minus alpha x plus 4 equal to 0. And that means that 2y is the same thing as alpha x minus 4, y equal to alpha over 2x minus 4 over 2. That is dividing through by 2. So coming over here, we have y equal to alpha all over 2x minus 2. And that is dividing this one, this is 2. Therefore, our m1 should be half. Sorry, our m1 should be alpha over 2. That's the coefficient of x. Then the second one, we have y equal to, y plus 1 over 4 x minus 7 equal to 0. And that means y is equal to minus 1 over 4x plus 7. Y equal to minus 1 over 4x plus 7. That's taking this to this side. Therefore, m2 is equal to minus 1 over 4. So, but we are told that we have to say find the value of this if this is perpendicular. That means, as I said earlier, for the two to be perpendicular, it means that m1, m2 must be equal to minus 1. m1, m2 equal to minus 1. Bringing together the values, and that means alpha over 2 times alpha over 2 times m2 is minus 1 over 4 equal to minus 1. Well, for us to continue, we divide both sides by minus 1 over 4. So we know that m1 should be equal to the same thing as minus 1 over m2. And remember that our m2 is minus 1 over 4. So coming back, we have alpha over 2 is the same thing as minus 1 over 4. And that is the same thing as minus 1 over 1 divided by minus 1 over 4. That is alpha over 2. And then moving on, we have alpha over 2 is equal to minus 1 over 1 times minus 4 over 1. And that means alpha over 2 is equal to, this and this will be plus, is equal to 4 over 1. And that will lead us to alpha equal to 2 times 4, which is equal to 8. So, which means, therefore, alpha is equal to 8. And that's the answer to that. So, question number 2 now, we have succeeded in getting the value of alpha. So, go ahead and check question number 2. So, question number 2, we are asked to find the coordinates of the midpoint of x and y intercept of the line this. So, question number 2. We have 2y minus 4. 2y is equal to 4x minus 8. And then you can also write it as y equal to 4x over 2 minus 8 over 2. And that is dividing through by 2. In that case, we have this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 4. And then from here, we are now going to have y equal to 2x minus 4. So for us to find the coordinates, in order to get our midpoint, we have to find the intercepts. So when x equal to 0, means that y is equal to 2 into 0 minus 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4. When y equal to 0, it means that 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. And that will lead us to 2x equal to 4, so that x equal to 4 over 2, which is 2. So we can now write down the coordinates. Remember that the line cuts y-axis at x equal to 0, and also cut y-axis at x equal to 0, x-axis at. So if you have something of this nature, x is 0 on the line, on this line, y-axis, y is 0 on this x-axis. So that is what it means. And then we continue. So bringing the coordinates, we can say that when x is 0, y is 4, that is 0, 4, then the second point should be when y is 0, x is 2, and that should be 2, 0. So for us to find the midpoint, therefore the midpoint of the line to be x1 plus x2 over 2, that's x equal to that, comma, y equal to y1 plus y2 over 2. So coming back, remember our x1, y1, x2, y2. So we fix the values. So for us to get what we are looking for, we have x equal to fix your values. X1 is 0 plus x2 is 2 all over 2. Y is equal to y1 is 4 plus y2 is also 0 all over 2. So this will give us 2 over 2, then comma, and then the other one will be sorry, this should be minus 4, please. Minus 4. Yes, so this one, when x is 0, y is minus 4. This is minus 4, please. I've corrected it. So coming back, we have minus 4. Okay. So this is 1, and then this will give us minus 4 over 2. And then when you divide, you have minus 2. So it means that x comma y, which is the midpoint, is equal to 1 comma minus 2. So therefore, the midpoint of the line is equal to x comma 2, sorry, x comma y, which is equal to 1 comma minus 2. And that's the answer to that. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, put it in the comment section so that I'll see it in the next video. Thank you. I'll see you in